Hello student, today we will do question number 14 from a miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find the integration of this. So first we will make some change in this. We can write this x square plus 4 minus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 4, and this will be cut if we subtract 4 minus 1 3. So for this we will divide here 1 by 3. This is so this can be written 1 by 3 it will divide this x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 4 minus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 4. So this will be cut here, and in this will be cut. So what will remain? 1 by 3 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 4. Now we will integrate this. 1 by x square plus 1 x square plus 4 integration dx. So we will integrate this. 1 by 3 is constant, so we can write this separately, and here 1 by x square plus 1 square we can write this, and dx minus 1 by x square plus 2 square dx. Now we will use the formula, this integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. We will use this formula to integrate this. So here will be 1 by 3 1 by 1, so 1 it will be So tan inverse minus x minus, here it is 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2. This is plus c. If you multiply this, so this will be 1 by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 6 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.